Welcome to Wine Time with Ciscoe. I am going to show you my favorite plant. So come on, let's go take a look. This is Bartzella. It's an Itoh Peony, which is a cross between a tree peony and an herbaceous peony. The only guy that ever figured out how to do this was a guy named Mr. Itoh. And because it was so hard to do, you used to have to pay $1,500 for a 1-gallon pot of an Itoh Peony, but now they've learned to tissue culture them. I paid $99 when I bought this. Now I saw this plant for $25 at the nursery. This one's called Bartzella. They do come in many different colors. And if you deadhead them, new buds keep coming up, so you can keep them blooming for a pretty long time. You treat these like an herbaceous peony when they die back in the fall, so you cut them practically to the ground, and then they'll grow back and just put on a beautiful show in spring. Just make sure that they're in full sun with good air circulation. That's all you need. No doubt about it. This is my favorite plant.